If you have PTSD and sleep doesn't make you feel better, this is why, and it's not your fault. Introduction and context. Sleep is supposed to restore your body and mind, but with PTSD, your nervous system stays on high alert. Even at night, your brain is scanning danger. Even when you think you're resting, because sleep can feel shallow, restless, or leave you exhausted the next day. Hypervigilance at night. Hypervigilance doesn't turn up when you close your eyes. Your body is protecting you, keeping you alert, scanning for threats. Even small sounds, a creak, a light flicker, can trigger your system to react. This constant state of alertness drains energy and makes threats almost impossible. So, even after what looks like a full night of sleep, you may wake up exhausted. Your body never fully powers down, and it's not laziness, it's survival. Your nervous system has been keeping you alive for a long time. It just hasn't been decided to fully rest yet. Emotional numbness and a brief response. Some people just don't experience panic at night. They shut down instead. Emotional numbness or dissociation is another way your body copes with trauma. It can conserve energy and protect you from feeling overwhelmed. It is natural, and it doesn't mean you're broken. What actually helps? Healing sleep with PTSD isn't about forcing rest. It's about teaching your body that it's safe. Try this simple exercise before bed. Place one hand on your chest, one on your stomach. Breathe slowly and quietly remind yourself, I am safe right now. You're not trying to fall asleep. You're telling your nervous system it doesn't have to fight. Reframe and validation. If sleep hasn't healed you yet, it doesn't mean you're failing. It means your body has been protecting you for a long time. Healing starts with safety, not forcing rest. And every step toward calm, even small ones, matters. Thank you for watching. If it helped you understanding why rest feels hard with PTSD, stay tuned for the next video in this series. Why PTSD can make you feel emotionally numb.